In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close QuickBooks year-end in just 5 minutes. First, fire up your browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online page. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In button. It's located conveniently at the top right corner, just waiting for a click. Go ahead and do that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. So type in your email and password, making sure everything is correctly spelled. This is crucial because any typos can lead to repeated attempts to sign in. Once you've done this, click on Sign In to proceed. If you're having any trouble signing in, it could be a good idea to use the Forgot Password option to reset your details and try again. Once you're successfully signed in, it's time to navigate to the settings. You'll find this option typically as a gear icon. Clicking it will drop down a menu with various options. You'll want the Account and Settings option. This is where all the magic happens. In the Account and Settings menu, look for the Advanced tab. This is where QuickBooks stores some of the more intricate settings that, while not used daily, are crucial for tasks like closing your books at the year's end. Click on it to continue. You'll now see several options, but we're going straight to the Close the Books section. This might require you to scroll down a bit if your display resolution is smaller. Once you find it, turn on the option labelled Close the Books. This action tells QuickBooks that you're ready to finalise the financial details for the year gone by. Next, you'll choose a closing date. This date is important as it signifies when your books are closed, preventing accidental changes to your records prior to that date. So select a day that's comfortably after your last recorded transaction for the year. Then you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the option Allow changes after viewing a warning and entering a password. This provides an additional layer of security, ensuring that no unauthorized adjustments are made to your finalized figures. Following that, you'll need to set a password. This acts as a gatekeeper for any edits post-closing. Choose something unique but memorable. After entering your chosen password, you'll be asked to confirm it. Essentially just retype it to avoid any mistakes like forgetting a letter. Once your password is set and confirmed, all that's left to do is hit the Save button. This final step ensures that all the configurations you've just made are properly recorded in QuickBooks. And that's it. You've efficiently closed your year end in QuickBooks. These actions not only secure your financial data for the previous year, but also set a solid foundation for any audits or reviews you may face. So give yourself a high five for completing this task smoothly. Tune in next time for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.